Hi, hello friends. A very good evening to everyone. I welcome you all back to my channel Chop and Choose Kitchen at Bakes.com. Today I'm going to do something kicking recipe which will be very unknown. Nowadays it is familiar. It is called as momos. Veg momos I'm going to do, and step by step I'll tell you how to do paneer momos, tandoori momos and all. So now let us see all the ingredients for the veg momos. I have taken all purpose flour, that is maida. I have taken half bowl of maida here, 1 bowlful of cabbage. I have grated it and kept. I have taken one big onion, finely sliced, 1 cup of carrot, grated carrots, and I have taken salt for seasoning, turmeric, pinch of turmeric, 1 small tablespoon of chili powder, and this is the main thing. I have taken garlic here, which I have grated again finely. This dish, this particular ingredient will go with dishes, Chinese dishes. Without this, the garlic and the ginger, grated garlic and the ginger, Chinese dishes are waste. So this is the main dish in Chinese. So these are all the ingredients. Now first of all, we will knead the dough by adding a little bit of salt. Now to start with this, we will knead the dough by adding kneaded salt. Just make the dough as you make for the chapatis. Now at last you have to add a little bit of oil. That's it. I have kneaded the dough. I did nothing, but I added a little bit of salt which is needed for that flour, and I kneaded like chapati dough, and at last I applied some oil. Now we will cover it and rest it for 10 to 15 minutes. Till that we will see how to make the stuffing in the momos. We will see the stuffing. To begin with this, I have kept a pan here and I added only 1 tablespoon of oil. The oil should not be more. We are going to stuff inside the momos. It should not be oily. It should be dry. Please remember that. It is heated now. Now for the first thing, I am going to add the garlic. Just fry for a minute. For a minute you can fry this. Gives a nice flavor. After frying it for a minute, we will add the onions first. Now I am going to add the onions. 1 onion I took. That is quite enough. Now all the onions, the veggies which we have taken should be 50% fried up. Not more than that. We are again going to steam the momos. 50% it should cook, and the other 50% it will be cooked when we steam it. If the vegetables are fully cooked, then the taste of the momos will go off. It must be raw only. Like 50% raw it should be, and when we chew it, it must give the flavor of the cabbage and the carrots and the onions and all. You should feel the flavor when you are eating. So it should be like that. 50% the onions are cooked. You should not roast till it gets a golden brown. Please remember that. Now we are going to add the cabbage. which we have cut and kept. Now this will take a minute to fry up, so don't add the grated carrot as soon as you put the cabbage also. You should cook for a whole 1 minute and then only you should add the grated carrot. Now for a whole minute I cooked this. Now again we are going to add the grated carrot, and again we are going to cook this. Add the needed salt. Check for the seasoning, whether it is correct or not. Add the chili powder also to this. Only 1 tablespoon I have taken. Don't take more. Only a small tablespoon of chili powder I have taken. You can use pepper powder also. No issues. Now just fry this for a minute again. It should be dry. You can see there is no oil itself. It should be dry. For the stuffings and all, there should not be more of oil. Please note that for the stuffing, there should not be more oil. Add the turmeric powder too. A pinch of turmeric I have taken. Now to this, I'm just adding another ingredient which I have not said. A little bit of tomato sauce I'm going to add in this. A little bit only I'm going to add. It will give a nice taste, a good taste. That's it. Now we are going to steam this. Now I have switched off the flame. Now look at this. It is dry. Now we will put it in a plate and let this be under fan for 5 minutes. Till that we will roll up the momos. This. One. If 2 comes, it's alright, but I'm not getting. So we will make another dough. Now let me take this. I'm going to stuff inside this. Stuff inside this. 1 tablespoon I have kept. Top of this. Then join the ends. Join the ends. Just hold on. Catch like this. Like as you do for the kolkata, just make like this. That's it. See the shape? It's correct. We will keep this and we will make more of momos. Again I have taken a small dough and I have rolled this. I am going to cut this. And we will stuff. Only 1 tablespoon we are going to keep. Keep a little bit. Catch all the ends and fold it. It's very easy to do. Otherwise, another method I will tell you. This is all you have to do. That's it. See, we have got the correct shape. First thing is, you can take small dough and make separately. Otherwise, take a big ball like this. Just roll it again, as I have told you. Just to make your work easier, just take a big ball size, roll it in big. Then you can keep the tiffin box cap, and then you can make 2 or 3 out of it. Now I have rolled this in a bigger size shape. Now I'm going to keep the cap on top of that. Make small. I got 3 out of this. Good. I've got 3 in this. Now first you should apply some water. At the end of the method, just apply some water on sides and keep the stuffing. Only little bit water only I kept. Keep the stuffing. Now catch all the ends. It will stick very easily. That's it. Without water also you can stick this, or with water also we can scrub this. See how beautiful the momos are. Now I prepared all the momos. I got 15 momos. Out of that, 1 big cup of flour, maida. Now it is ready to be steamed. Now we will keep in it. Now in idli maker I added some water, and in one plate I'm going to put some oil on top of this. Then I'm going to place the momos. I have placed all my momos in this plate. Now the water is also heated up. I'm going to keep on top of this. Now for 10 minutes we will wait. Cover this up. We will wait for 10 minutes. I'm going to remove the sensi. Oh, so lovely it is. Now switch off the flame and serve this in a plate. Look how beautiful it has come. I'm going to serve this. Oh, lovely it is. And it's coming so nicely. It's very hot. Oh. Now my hot momos are ready. Now we are going to attack this with family. It's so lovely, and the taste also will be very good. If you like it, please do try it at home. Like, comment, share, and subscribe my channel. Till then, it's bye from Chop and Juice Kitchen at bakes.com. Have a nice day. Bye.